kind of fear of unknown, of subconscious mind, and what is inside, what is like sleeping inside and can be awakened in darkness.
What is magic about magnesium salts, Dr. Modi?
There's magic about homeopathy itself.
Hello, dear friends homeopaths. This is Barbara Liberowicz, Homea Sapiens, and tonight I have two guests. So my guests tonight are Dr. Sanjay Modi and Dr. Robert Zawiślak, and we are sitting in one of the restaurants on Kazimierz, Kraków. What is the reason you came to Poland, to Kraków?
Announcement of your seminar was the reason I wanted to see, to hear, to touch our friend, Dr. Modi, after we've been meeting each other virtually. So much of interest in our field is connecting us.
Yeah, it was a pleasure to meet Robert, and I'm happy to see him because we had talks on Homeo Sapiens there, and it was interesting to find those who are like-minded.
I think the Diwali time, Dr. Modi, is the perfect time to ask you about my favorite rubric in the repertoire, which is Desire for Light.
See, I would rather shift the topic a little, because, well, when the rubric has been listed, Desires for Light, it's more a mental, need of a person. But when we talk of Diwali is a time of a spiritual growth. So when we talk about moving from darkness to light, we are talking of, as humans, we all have a light within us which needs to be enlightened or which needs to be lighted off. We have remedies like phosphorus, stramonium, calcarea carb. There are many other remedies which also come for usage.
Is it just a desire for light, or is it a desire for enlightenment?
No, see, that's what I made it very clear at the beginning. The way homeopathy has been worked around, meaning repertories have come around from a point of view of being actual. When we talk of desires for light, if you see the rubric contains the need to have a light because darkness aggravates. That's what it is there.
For me, it's mostly expression of a kind of fear, a kind of fear of unknown, of subconscious mind, and what is inside, what is like sleeping inside and can be awakened in darkness.
There is a rubric fear of darkness also. So both are there. But the point is they go hand in hand. But the point is like this, that you have a fear of being in dark, then there is a fear of darkness that is come. But when the need of light is there, so I have seen children who even in sleep would want a light. So there is some light that needs to be on, even at a time where you are very comfortable. That's the time when I use this rubric, Desires for Light.
Magnesium salt. Oh, it sounds very strongly for me.
What is magic about magnesium salts, Dr. Modi?
There's magic about homeopathy itself. I feel homeopathy by itself is a magic. So each remedy is, it's a magic world that
But
opens
no
up.
doubt magnesium salts are quite mysterious.
Yeah, because they are less understood, less used. So naturally the mystery still surrounds. But we are going to expose up the whole concept of magnesium and the remedies that are associated with magnesium.
So what is the reason you chose magnesium salts for Diwali time?
But that's exactly what I'm talking of. See, something that has not been known and well understood is what I'm going to open up and expose of. That is where the journey from darkness to light. So the whole struggle of magnesium patience is of finding a home. The inside child, even if you grow up, there is a child which is inside which has a need for the home, still wanting it.
To jest tak, że pacjenci magnezjum, ich wewnętrzne dziecko cały czas szuka drogi do domu i szuka tego domu, do którego mogliby powrócić.
Now, patience is a virtue, if you properly understand it.
Jak rozumiemy, cierpliwość jest zaletą.
It's about, how you face difficult times or,
uncomfortable situations.
Chodzi o to, w jaki sposób stawiamy czoła trudnym czasom albo trudnym sytuacjom.
So some patients will get irritated, some will have fear.
Niektórzy będą w tej sytuacji zirytowani, niektórzy będą reagować lękiem.
Magnesium patients show patience,
Magnesium muriaticum okaże cierpliwość.
meaning they have a power to tolerate.
Mają siłę, żeby to tolerować.
Now we can also understand this power of tolerance coming around, because when you face with lack of love, lack of care, lack of belonging, somebody tends to get into a phase of a patient waiting.
Mhm. Więc tak, bo jeżeli jesteście w sytuacji, że brakuje wam wsparcia, brakuje wam miłości, brakuje wam poczucia przynależności, to wtedy jesteście w stanie oczekiwania